exposing the truth behind smartwatches and fitness bands. We're diving deep into the world of wearable tech to uncover the key differences and help you make the best choice for your needs. Stuck between which to buy? It's a common dilemma, with so many options and features to consider. Let's break it down, fast and simple. We'll cut through the jargon and get straight to the core differences that matter most. So, what's the difference? At first glance, they might seem similar, but under the surface, they cater to very different needs and lifestyles. Smartwatches are like mini smartphones strapped to your wrist. They offer a wide range of functionalities that extend far beyond just telling time. You get notifications apps. Music even calls all on a slick touchscreen display. It's like having a personal assistant right there on your arm. Often AMOLED. These vibrant screens make interacting with your smartwatch a pleasure. Fitness bands, though? They take a different approach, focusing on a more streamlined experience. They're all about health. These devices are designed to be your dedicated fitness companion, tracking your activity levels and providing valuable insights into your well-being. Think step counting, heart rate, sleep tracking, minimalist, lightweight, and built for pure fitness. They're designed to be unobtrusive and comfortable to wear during any activity. Bonus bands usually last way longer on a single charge. This is a huge advantage for those who don't want to worry about daily charging, which fits your life. Consider your daily routines, activities, and what you value most in a wearable device. Grab a smartwatch if you want the full experience, productivity, and health together. It's a great choice for those who want a device that can handle both work and fitness tracking. Want to check messages, answer calls, use GPS, or even pay from your wrist? The convenience of a smartwatch is hard to beat. Fancy a stylish design with a premium feel? Then a smartwatch is your best bet. They often come in a variety of styles and materials to match your personal taste. But if you're all about affordable, no-fuss fitness tracking, you want a fitness band. It's the perfect choice for those who prioritize health and fitness above all else. They're light, durable, and their batteries can last up to 2 weeks, perfect for daily workouts. You can wear them all day and night without even noticing they're there. Let's talk money and battery. These are two crucial factors to consider when making your decision. Smartwatches start around Rs5,000, but can shoot up to Rs50,000 or more, and you'll probably charge them every couple of days. The more features a smartwatch has, the more power it consumes. Fitness bands? Just Rs1,000 to Rs5,000, and they'll keep going for 7 to 14 days straight. That's a significant difference compared to smartwatches. So if you want serious fitness on a budget, go for a band. You'll get accurate fitness tracking without breaking the bank. If you want an all-in-one smart companion, smartwatch it is. It's an investment in convenience and connectivity. Comment below. Which one's on your wrist or on your wish list? We're curious to know which device you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. We're constantly creating new content to help you stay informed about the latest technology.